Modules are one of the most basic building blocks of the Puppet language. They are used to manage a specific task or application, such as installing or configuring a piece of software. A module is simply a directory tree that contains the files needed for a given configuration. This directory structure allows nodes to discover and load classes, resource types, facts, and more. The module's name is the name of the top directory. If a class is defined in a module, you can declare that class by name in any manifest. When the Puppet master compiles the catalog, it will dynamically load the manifest that contains the class definition. There are thousands of modules available for download at the Puppet Forge, written by Puppet developers and community members. Supported modules have not only been tested to work with Puppet Enterprise, they are also included in Enterprise support and are compatible with multiple platforms.